Joining YPN have given me a voice and it's given me confidence, and it's helped me grow as a person, as a leader, and as an agent.
It gave me the opportunity to network with other young professionals like myself, and to also build my business with them as well, and learn from my fellow colleagues.
YPN provide me resources and tools to be successful in this business.
I wanted to network with like-minded individuals as well as give back to the community.
I joined YPN to help strengthen my relationships throughout the industry.
I would like to, connect with the people that are the same mindset that I am, and kind of feed off ideas to gain new technology information to benefit my businesses.
If you enjoy giving back to the community and you want to grow as a person and step outside of your comfort zone, I think this is the best opportunity you can. So feel free to join YPN, and we're here to support you in every way we can.
I think others should join YPN because it gives them a nice group of people to learn from and connect with their fellow colleagues.
YPN provide you the right tool to be successful in your business.
So others should join YPN because it's a perfect opportunity to be able to meet other young, successful realtors, as well as be involved in events that can actually benefit your business.
I really think others should join YPN, similar to why I joined, to help strengthen their relationships, but also to continue learning and to surround themselves with other like-minded individuals.
We're fun, we're energetic, and we're also goal-driven to, feed off each other to benefit our business.
So YPN has given me the opportunity to network with many other agents and vendors, and when I'm placing offers now, it's great to know who you're doing business with. It's also given me the confidence and a voice. Whenever I have a thought, I'm not the quiet, shy type anymore. I'm here and I'm able to share what my thoughts are.
YPN has helped me expand my business because it's given me the opportunity to network with my fellow members.
So YPN has given me the opportunity to lay the foundation for my business, which is going to help me in the future.
YPN has helped my business quite a bit by creating new relationships throughout the industry, but also allowing new opportunities for my clients and myself alike.
YPN has definitely helped my business by making me feel like I'm not alone in this business.
I look forward to seeing YPN grow and make a difference in our community along with the members of Bay East.
I'm looking forward to a great 2022 with YPN, to be able to meet and socialize and network with each other more this year.
I look forward to connect with more professionals through YPN this year.
So this year, I'm looking forward to a lot of big things with YPN. I'm looking forward to learn from existing members as well as meet new members.
I'm looking forward to a lot this year with YPN. We've got a lot of events planned this year, and I'm really looking forward to connecting with everybody in person again as we continue to move out of the pandemic.
In 2022, I look forward to gain more exposure for my business through YPN events.